Hello, good morning, students. We start today patterns and symmetry. That is the eighth lesson. So we already solved this. I look back. That is the look at the worksheet given below. Find the shape on the extreme right that will continue the pattern. In each row, write the correct letter inside the shape. So we already this one solve in Zoom period. Then we will start here again. I will repeat it. This is the square, circle, square, circle, then square, circle, square. Again, next pattern is the circle. That is, see here, circle is in the D column. So you write down here D. Other. Then here circle, triangle, then this triangle, again circle, triangle, triangle, circle, then here this triangle is there, so this triangle is in C, so write down here C. Okay, then drop here, cloud, drop, cloud, drop, cloud, drop. Again here cloud is there, that is A, so write down here A. Okay, so we already solved this. I said that there are the shapes, so I write here shapes, but you can write here D, C, here A, then here which one triangle is there, C there, and write down, that is the C here, this triangle, this two triangle, this two, then again here this one triangle is there, see carefully which one triangle is there, so this triangle is in E row, so you write down here E. Then here B, already I write here star is there, again oval is there, so where is oval shape, see there B, so write down here B. Here C, that is the this star is there, so write down here C. Okay, so we write down this one in the textbook. Then we solve here uh, patterns, and here my way ahead. What is that my way ahead? That is the Fabian, Ray and Revati are playing in the park. Revati is wearing a colorful dress. Here Revati said, hi Revati, uh, hi Revati, you were wearing a nice colorful dress yesterday. So she said, thanks Fabians, I brought it last Sunday. Then the dress has colorful flowers on it. Yes Fabians, it has a beautiful pattern of flowers, means on that dress there are flowers, and that is the pattern of flowers there. Okay, then see here, if you uh, take any dress, so there are also pattern, that is the checks. Okay, same like this is the dress, there are flower pattern is there. Okay, means pattern means a pattern is an arrangement of shapes or figure in a particular order. Patterns are found everywhere around us. We find patterns in nature such as plants, animals, birds, flowers, leaves, etc. We will learn about different type of pattern. In nature, pattern can be seen in flower and animals. Means this is the rose flowers. Here same pattern as there in rose flower. Then here cheetah, then leaves. That is the natural pattern. That is not man-made. Apart from nature, pattern are also seen in man-made object. Okay. Now see here. this pattern. Then here that is the man-made pattern. If you see, that is the tiles, here flooring, then here rangoli, that is the man-made pattern. Here shapes are repeated at fixed intervals. This is a repeating pattern. Means here see star, moon, sun, then star, moon, sun. That is the shape are repeated at fixed interval. Okay, means these three same, that is the star, moon and sun is here interval, then again repeat that pattern, star, moon and sun. Okay, like this, that is the repeating pattern. Here also see this picture, here also same, that is this picture, triangle, then again circle, rectangle, then square, then triangle, circle, rectangle. Means here 1 2 3 4 patterns are same, their interval, again this pattern is repeat here. Okay, now here bat, hockey stick, then one more uh, picture is there. Here also this three pattern, then interval, then again repeat these three patterns. Hmm. Then growing patterns, that is here one chocolate is there. If in this one chocolate, here growing patterns means here in this arrangement toffees are increasing in a particular order, they are growing in a pattern. Here one chocolate, in this one chocolate if two chocolates added, this three, again you have to add in this three chocolate, means plus 3, that is the 6, then plus add 4, then this one, then see here, if you are counting, 1 is there, 1 plus 2 3, means 1 2 3, here 1 2 3 4 5 6 is there, means here we have to add the number of chocolates, then means here plus 4, that is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Then what you add next, so here plus 5, that is the 2 3 4 and then 5. Okay, that is the increasing pattern. See here this picture, this one opposite, then this 2 V shape, then here 2 V shape, that is the, ये सीधा है, ये उल्टा है, ऐसे अपने याद रखना है आपको. ये देखो 1 2 3, ये भी सीधे V है, इसको 1 2 3 उल्टा किया, that is the pattern. Okay, then decreasing patterns means कम कम हो रहा है उसमें चॉकलेट. Here increasing pattern में क्या हो रहा था, टॉपीज बढ़ रहे थे चॉकलेट, और इधर कम हो रहे. ओके, देन हियर अगेन ऑब्जर्व द पैटर्न आर डिक्रीजिंग इन पर्टिकुलर ऑर्डर. अब ये ऑर्डर देखो, ये 3V है, यहाँ पे उल्टे 3V किए हैं, मीन्स नंबर सेम है लेकिन पैटर्न चेंज हुआ है. सी हियर 2V सीधे है, यहाँ पे उल्टे किए, ये 2 है, 1 2 1 2, बट पैटर्न अलग है. यहाँ पे भी एक सीधा भी है इसको. हाँ, देन नेक्स्ट वन दिस पिक्चर, यू हैव टू काउंट दिस. हियर सी अगेन डिक्रीजिंग पैटर्न, डिक्रीजिंग मीन्स कम कम हो रहा है. सी हियर में जहाँ पे कम हो रहा है एक 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 से या 2 से, उसको डिक्रीजिंग पैटर्न बोलते हैं. और जहाँ पे बढ़ रहा है मीन्स ऐसे चॉकलेट जैसे ये बढ़ रहा है, उसको इंक्रीजिंग पैटर्न बोलते हैं, दैट इज द ग्रोविंग पैटर्न. ओके, नाउ सी हियर नेक्स्ट पैटर्न इज नंबर पैटर्न. So here in the number pattern we can create pattern with number too. Look at the number pattern given here. See 1 3 5 7 9 11. In the pattern, numbers are increasing by 2, that is 2 is added to the number to get the next number. Here 1, यहाँ पे 1 में 2 ऐड करते हो तो 3 आएगा, 3 में 2 ऐड किया 5 आएगा, 5 में 2 ऐड 7, 7 में 2 ऐड 9, 9 में 2 ऐड 11. ओके, अगर आपको ये पैटर्न पूरा करना है तो आप क्या करोगे, अगेन 2 2 ऐड करते जाओगे और आप नंबर निकालोगे. इसको नंबर पैटर्न बोलते हैं. सेम हियर, in the pattern numbers are increasing by 2. This is the increasing by 2 pattern. Now in the pattern given above, each number is decreasing by 6. So you have to find out what is the pattern there. So this means that 6 is subtracted from the number to get the next number. Means here 45 है, 40 minus 5 में से आप 6 माइनस करोगे, दैट इज द डिक्रीजिंग पैटर्न. मीन्स आपको कम करना है, तो इसमें 6 का डिफरेंस है सब में. तो 6 माइनस किया 39 आया, फिर 6 माइनस किया 33 आया, फिर 6 माइनस किया 27, माइनस 6 21, माइनस 6 15. ऐसे ये पैटर्न बन गया है नंबर का. Now we will solve next even and odd number pattern in next period. So you have to only see there how to pattern are increasing and decreasing and which pattern is there, which figure is there. So you have to see in the textbook. Don't write anything in the textbook and notebook. Okay. Thank you.